Yeah, hello. This is Collins Lane Solutions. Hope we are doing good today. I want to quickly take a look at the current cryptocurrency market to see the situation of the market. Yeah, currently looking at the coin market cap. Bitcoin remains at number one as always, as number one of the crypto coin. Then we have second place as Ethereum. We have third, Ripples, three, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin SV. Then Cardano. Cardano is currently performing very well at number seven. And taking a look at the charts of Cardano are there, we can see that it had a very nice push to the upside direction. Taking a look at the 4 hours time frame, we can see that it has performed very well, and there is an upward trend channel. This is a bullish channel here, and if we zoom out a bit, we see that it has really pushed up to the upside, and it's at a very critical position right now. Well, let's see if it will continue to push higher than this, or if it will reverse back down to the downside direction. So if it cannot push above this place, but I believe it's gonna retest this 12,000 Satoshi area, 12,009, 13,000 Satoshi area. So if you bought earlier, like those in my VIP group, if you are one of those that bought earlier at this region of 9,950 region, I believe it will be good to really take some profit right now, or place your stop loss somewhere around 13,000 Satoshi. So that will be a very good exit point. Okay, that is a very good bullish run for the Cardano. So it might retest this area and push up again. So I believe taking profit at this point is a welcome decision. Then when it goes down to this point again, we can place a buy order again at this point. So then let's take a look at other coins like BTC. Bitcoin is currently at $9,260 at the moment, so it's still fairly okay, trying to break the bearish trend to the bullish trend. For quite some time now, it has been finding it difficult to break to the upside direction. So let's hope it push it up very fast once again. So taking a look at my charts on Bitcoin, if we zoom out, we see that Bitcoin has been on bearish channel. So there is resistance in this area of 10,004, 10,005 region, price region, and it has been finding difficult to pass that side, and it got to this point around June, June 1st, and started pushing down again back into the channel, bearish channel. So at this point, I believe Bitcoin on long-term time frame is still pushing, is still on bearish trend. We might see 8,000 plus, 7,000 plus soon if it continues like this, or if it's able to break to the upside to around above 9,000, 10,000 to 10,005. If it's able to break above this level of 10,008 and continues to hold at that position, then we can say Bitcoin is really bullish. But right now is currently still on the bearish trend. So whenever we make some profit, we will enter and leave, enter and leave. So if we are trading shorter time frames, then we can see that okay, let me redraw my trend line at this moment to see if the current position it is right now. Then my connection is very poor at the moment, so finding it difficult to browse fast here right now. Okay, it's loaded up. So let me, right now we can say if this is the current position of this downside trend line, if I take it to daily time frame, we'll be able to see overview of the position. Then that is it. Okay, all right, we can see right now that let me zoom in a bit. Okay, yeah, this is the current look of this trend line, inside trend line look of Bitcoin. So let's see okay, let's see. Okay, so taking a look at Bitcoin here, if we take the time to 1 hour time frame, like myself, when I enter a position at this point, I take profit here at the resistance point. Yeah, for those of us that ask me to throw more light about support and resistance. So support is at the bottom of candles, so let me take it to 4 hours for us to have a clearer look. Okay, all right, so we say market is at resistance zone. If we take a look at the top of these candles, the price got to this point, it pushed down, this is the resistance point, it got to this point and pushed down, that is a resistance point. It got to this point here, up here, and pushed down. You can see this line now is the resistance line. Then there is a trend line at this place that is moving down. This one is a trend line also acting as resistance line. If you take a look at, anytime the candlesticks get to this point, it pushes back down. Anytime it goes to this point, it pushes back down. Now, talking about support is the bottom part where it bounces to and bounces, where it gets to and bounces up, where it gets to and bounces up, where it gets to and bounces up. So this point, this area here is support. Then we also have trend line acting as support. So if you take a look at this line crossing this way up, anytime the candle gets to this point, it pushes up. Anytime it gets to this point, it pushes up. So that is a trend line also acting as support. So that's it. So presently Bitcoin is at a critical zone again, trying to make a decision. So it might push up a bit above this place to break this current resistance at this zone, to push up a bit. Maybe when it gets to this point it might reverse again. So Bitcoin has been moving sideways for some time now. You can take a look. This is 4 hours time frame. This is from on the 28th of June. Today is already 8 from on the 28th, from on the 27th, 28th of June. Today is already 8th of July. So at this point we don't know. Bitcoin might push up a bit to go towards 9,004, 9,005 area, or it might push down towards below 9,000. If it pushes below 9,000 once again, I believe it will be pushing towards the areas of 8,000, 8,005. So whichever the decision the market takes, let's see how it goes from now. Okay, here this is Collins Lean Solution once again. If I believe you've gained some values in this analysis, and catch you on the other side.